fabulous chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious sweet pongal recipe. This is a very traditional recipe. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Let's get started. This is the first video of 2021. Wish you all a very happy new year. So let's see the ingredients. I've taken 1 cup of raw rice. In the same cup, let's measure about half a cup of moong dal. So always take 1:2. Let's add the raw rice into a bowl and also add the moong dal into the bowl. Wash it well and keep it aside. Now let's transfer the rice and the moong dal into a pressure cooker and add about 4 cups of water in the same measuring cup which we have used to measure the rice and dal. Now close the lid. Also add a pinch of salt. Let's close the pressure cooker and cook it for about 2 whistles. This rice cooks very fast, so 2 whistles is more than sufficient. Now let's take about half a kg of jaggery and add about half a cup of water into the jaggery. Today I have taken the dark jaggery. It's approximately 2 cups in the same measuring cup which we have used. Now in another pan, let's add about 1 tablespoon of ghee. When the ghee is nicely melted, let's add a few cashews and some raisins. Now let's add the cashews and the raisins. And wait till the cashews are nice and golden brown and the raisins are nice and plump. Now you can see that our raisins are becoming nice and plump and the cashews are nice and golden brown. Let's switch off the ghee. Now let's check the jaggery. It's nicely melted. You can see all the solid pieces are nicely melted. Let's strain it and keep it aside. Always strain the jaggery to remove all the impurities. Now let's check the rice. The rice is perfectly cooked. Now let's mix the rice together and let's add the jaggery into the rice now. This dark jaggery gives a nice dark color to the pongal. You can see after mixing the jaggery with the rice, it's nice and sticky. At this stage, let's add the cashews and the raisins which we have roasted earlier in the ghee and mix all the ingredients together. At this stage, we need about 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder. This gives a nice fragrance to the pongal. I have crushed the cardamom powder with some sugar. Now let's transfer the cardamom powder into the pongal and mix everything together. This is mainly auspiciously made for offering to God and on auspicious days. That's it, friends. Our delicious sweet pongal recipe is absolutely ready. Do try this delicious recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.